a heartbreaking moment. The one who swore he would die for Jesus fails in the moment of testing. But here lies hope. Jesus knew Peter's weakness beforehand. In Luke's gospel, Jesus even said, "I have prayed for you, Peter, that your faith may not fail. And when you turn back, strengthen your brothers." Reflection. We all stumble. We all deny Christ at times through fear, silence, or compromise. Yet, just as Jesus restored Peter later, he can restore us. His grace is greater than our weakness. Part 4. Jesus before Pilate.